I can help you again. Wilfred, I can help you.
I appreciate everything you've done for me. But I'm sorry. Wala lang talaga sa isip ko to ngayon eh. And I thought malino na sa'yo kung ano lang tayo. And besides, all I want to do right now is to focus on my kids.
I can help you. I can help you take care of your daughters. Kagaya lang ng dati nung si Amber pa lang yun nandyan. Wilfred, gagawin ko yun. Even more. Wilfred, I will love you unconditionally. Okay, just give me one more chance.
Huwag mo na sila tignan.